Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Summertime Saga on your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is head over to a browser of your choice. It works on Safari or Google, whichever you choose. So for example, I will head over to Google. Now once we head over to Google, what we need to do is simply search for Summertime Saga. And then once we search for this, you will then be able to click on the top search result right here, summertimesaga.com. Now once we click on this, you will then be redirected to this page where you will now need to scroll down and click on download game. Once we click on download game, you want to scroll down and choose the version you want, so stable or also the preview of the latest version. Go ahead, click on download. And then once we click on download, if we scroll down, what you will notice is that this is only available for Windows and Linux, Mac and Android. Unfortunately, at the moment, there is no option to download for iPhone, so maybe in the future you will be able to download this on iPhone. But for right now, you cannot actually download it on iPhone. So that's basically how you can download Summertime Saga on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.